How to unpublish your Facebook page. Instead of deleting your page permanently, where you'll not be able to retrieve the page again, you can always hide the page, and Facebook refers to that as unpublishing. So if you come to your main personal page account, on the top right hand corner, click on the drop down button, go to manage page, click on the page that you want to unpublish. So mine is Woke Insight. And once the page is loaded up, on the top right hand corner it says settings, click on that, and on this list here you want to go to page visibility, which is right at the top here. So click on that, and it gives you two options. So the top option will be page publish, which is, it means everyone can see it, and you want to click on page unpublished and then save changes. And here it gives you some more information. So please share your reasons. So it wants to know your reasons. It's got a few options here, like the page isn't finished yet, the business, brand, organization is no longer active, and so forth. We'll just keep it as the default. Click on next. And what do you need to finish your page for? Whatever you want. You can we'll just click the top one. Additional content, for example, photos and so forth. And okay, your page is now unpublished. Republish your page soon to connect with your audience on Facebook. There we go. Your Facebook page is unpublished. No one can see it. It's not visible anymore.